I'm Caroline from bepractical-diy, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of information about what we do at Be Practical. Lots of people ask us what they're going to learn on our courses, and so I thought try and explain a little bit to you. So today I am going to be running an essential home plumbing course. Clue in the name there, it's about plumbing that you're probably going to come across at home, and it's probably quite essential stuff that you need to know. So we start off with some really exciting stuff about isolation, which pretty important because if you don't know how to turn off your water supply when you have a bit of a disaster, then it can cause quite a lot of damage. So it's a good idea to know how to turn your water off. Now you may already know that, but if you don't, then we can give you a few tips as to what to do if you can't find the right place, and also who to call if you have some issues. We also talk about the isolation, how you turn off things in your house such as your sink, your bath, your leaking taps, your toilet, anything like that that needs to be isolated in the event of emergency or in order to repair it. So what we do is we encourage you to go home after this course and do a proper audit of your house and make sure that you know how to turn things off in an emergency. We also try to give you lots of information that helps you if you need to talk to a plumber yourself, if you need to get a professional in to sort some stuff out for you so that you understand what they're talking about, and you can explain what it is that you want. Hopefully you go away with a lot of knowledge today. Then we go on and we introduce you to some plumbing tools and tools that we think you probably need to have in your basic toolbox at home. We introduce you to some copper pipes, some plastic pipes, some pipe fittings, some plastic push fit pipe fittings so that you know how they work and how to use them yourself. Basically, I think we're trying to fill the gap between the YouTube video where you see everything go perfectly without any mishap, and reality where things don't go quite according to plan. So what you do is you come along here and you get loads of hands-on practice, you get to play, you get to make mistakes, and basically you learn, and then you can go home and you can either start carrying out some repairs yourself, or you can call in the professionals and you know how to talk to them and you know what it is that you want them to do. So if you've got a bit of time and you feel that this might be the sort of thing that you would like to know about, then why not sign up for one of our half-day essential home plumbing courses and come and have a go yourself.